What's up, gang?
What up, G's? We're here, Ninja U Training Gym facility.
Surprise, surprise.
Surprise! It's wedding month for me.
Woo!
So by the time you're seeing this video,
Woo!
or maybe a little bit after, I'll be taking ladies. But anyway, we haven't posted in a while, but we do want to get back onto the YouTube grind and making some videos for our entertainment mostly, because we just make
We don't get views.
We don't get views, and it's funny for us. So tonight, last video was us training. This video is us training again. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna start warming up. We're just doing courses tonight, so let's get those shoulders ready.
Noggin!
Noggin! Alright guys, if you know anything about the Ninja Teens, we love to play spin the bottle. Here we go. You're first, Doc. All right, gang. We are 4 of 5 courses through. You guys just saw our first run, and now we're going to record our final run. Anyway, not feeling pumped, just getting gassed by the end, but I guess that's normal. So yeah, here goes, final run of the night. Check it out, guys. Outro of our application for Too Hot to Handle Love Island. Take 3. Action. All right, guys, you just saw 2 guys that are 23, average at Ninja. Almost died doing 5 courses. We'll see you guys on the next video. Till then, peace.
Noggin!
Noggin!